What is good, guys? In this video, I will be talking about how I built my own SaaS product, step by step, everything I did. And I'm actually launching it in October. It's an AI mentor SaaS product. If you want to know more about it, please let me know in the description. I'm very excited to launch this. I've just been working on some marketing things and I'm finalizing the code. So as you can see on the screen, it's an AI mentor platform. Now, if you've followed tutorials in the past, you may notice that this looks quite similar to one made by Code with Antonio. And yes, I actually followed his tutorial, but I did make some significant changes. Now, the things that I changed was, firstly, I coded the mentors to the outputs to be different, so the AI will spew out different outputs, as well as a bunch of more things which I will go over in this video. Now, with that out of the way, I'm just going to go and walk you through the AI SaaS platform. So firstly, there's like mentors here that I will be adding. Right now, I have Steve Jobs and Jeff Bezos. I also have an About Us page, which I'm actually working on right now. It's in the process, okay? Then I have our Contact Us page, which is, if a user has problems, he could just type in his email and then send the issue to my email address so I can answer them directly. And then in the settings page, there's like light mode and dark mode, which I'm very proud of. This was a very hard thing to do. Next, there was also an upgrade to Mentor Pro button, and all this button, gotta work on that. All right, so this button should take me to the checkout page. Then here is where it gets cool, right? So you can sign in and that takes us to the page. Now I signed in, so it's the pro version, just saying. So the people who have not paid don't get this feature, okay? And then there's the new page where you can create your own mentor. So let's just create someone right now. So I'm just gonna put in, this one. I don't really know what's going on here. Okay. And then I'm just going to go Nazar, CEO of YouTube. Okay. Then I'll just put myself as, let's put myself as a historic figure. And then just the prompts, I'm just going to put in whatever just because I want to show you what this is like. Okay. Just like that. And then create your own mentor. Now, after I create it, it's going to be shown on the screen. And the coolest thing about it is right here. So I'm displayed here, and that's really it. So I'll show you everything about the texting soon. I just have to show you the code first, just so everything makes sense. Okay, so I'm gonna load up the code right now, and then we'll clarify everything. All right, so this is the code. Most of it is run on TypeScript and Next.js, all right? So we have everything from the authentication to the chat application to the layout and everything. So if you've never worked with Next.js, it's basically like React, but with better routing. So for example, let's go to routes, the sign in and sign up pages. So basically what will happen is just because it has the two, because it has the outside brackets, this means that if I go to localhost 3000, and so let's say I sign out, right? And I go to /sign up, because I'm not signed in, it's going to take me to the sign up page. So that's how routing works in Next.js. And for example, again, another good example would be if I go to root, routes, and then about, contact, mentor settings, without having to do any routing like in React, where I have to specifically put the route in manually. Here, all I have to do is put the folder, name the folder after the thing I want. So there's about, contact, mentor, and settings, right? So if I do go to let me just sign in first. I'll put in this one just to show you guys what the non-pro version looks like. Okay, so now let's say I go to settings. It'll take me to settings, not because I had a specific routing, but because I named the folder that. So that's what's cool about Next.js. So basically the whole thing is in TSX, which is a specific type of TypeScript. And yeah, all the code is here. I used Replicate AI for my AI chat. So I'll show you that real quick. So firstly, this is the prompting section where I tell the AI what to do. So there's the user, there's here like the content and all that fun stuff. So this is the post route actually. And if I go down to components to the chat messages. So here's the Stripe section where I had to import Stripe, obviously, and this is fully functioning payment system with Stripe. So first you get the PrismaDB, then you have the Stripe.js, which is just, the Stripe authentication, a subscription that is working, as well as memory for the AI with all the prompting, and a working TypeScript application, and a functioning email, which is like you can put in your email and you send it to me. Nonetheless, this is the app. I'm very excited. So now let's say I want to subscribe as a user. This is what pops up. So, you get custom AI mentors, faster and better mentor responses, and the rest. So if you click subscribe, I don't know if it's going to work because Stripe.js is not working. Okay, it's not going to work because I don't have Stripe running, but it will take you to a mentor page. I'll show like a video of it, but it'll take you to a mentor page. It'll take you to the Stripe checkout page as soon as you click the subscribe button. Well, that's really it, guys. That's really the app. I'm very excited. It'll be coming out at the end of October. And if you want to know more about how I made this, I can make a more in-depth video about the code. Again, I just simply followed tutorials and did a bunch of more things. So it's pretty simple. It's really easy, guys. So if you are interested, yeah, that's really it. Okay. I'll leave some links in the description down below, like my Twitter and coaching. So if you want more of that, it's right there. Okay. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.